Hi, I'm Todd Cook. Welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of Polymer E-Club's Ask the Cook. When it comes to making a product comfortable to use and forces involved, a really interesting material is polyurethane foam. A self-skinning version of this foam can be insert molded around nearly any part to make a cushion or grip, and the dynamic response ranges can range from firm to almost unbelievably soft. To make most of these materials, one should understand how much dynamic response scales with the amount of empty space in the foam. More empty space, more collapse of the foam under load. Less empty space, less collapse and more control. A typical foam may be expanded as much as 30x using a foaming agent. That's a material that boils in the processing temperature range of the polymer to create that empty space. But expansions of 5x, 10x, 20x are also easily possible. So suppose you want to create a supportive cushion that will support body weight. 5x to 10x expansion will offer some cushioning but will not collapse easily if loaded for long periods of time, like say a tractor seat, a load brace, a strut seat, or something of that nature. If one needs to absorb some shock first, slowing the load down can easily be achieved by adding a layer that is expanded maybe 20 or even 30 times. Some custom polyols are even available to allow viscoelastic behavior from the foam that is skin temperature sensitive, meaning that the response is less spring-like and it has built-in damping that depends on the temperature. Knowing how to handle loads and understanding how flexible polyurethanes can help make better grips and cushions, that's working knowledge. That's what you get when you watch us here at Polymer E-Club, Ask the Cook. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you appreciate the content. You can follow a link in the description to learn more about the Polymer E-Club and how to get involved. I'm Todd Cook for Polymer E-Club, Ask the Cook. Thanks for watching.